Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today, and we are going to travel. We are going to go to another country, and we are going to do it through a subscription box called Trouvailles. And I got I guess it's my bi-monthly, I get it every other month. So this would be my June box, and I may have gotten it before I went on vacation or right after I got back. But we're going to get into this box and we're going to see what country we're going to. Now guys, this is a bi-monthly subscription. I am a globe trotter, which means I am signed up for 6 times, which is every other month, so I'm bi-monthly, and it is $45.99. It includes shipping. We go to different parts of the world, which I love. We have already been to Russia, we have been to Guatemala, and I have had like what they called a holiday box that traveled many different countries like Jamaica and Germany, Poland, just different things. And it's a food and lifestyle box. So it's got lots of goodies in it and things that you get to taste or experience that you couldn't, of course, unless you went there. And so let's see where we're going. I will tell you that Kendra reached out to me from Trouvailles and has offered a link for my viewers. And if you decide that you want to subscribe to Trouvailles, you can click on that link, and I'll have it down in my description, and it will give you a free gift for a half-year or 1-year subscription. So that would be, I guess, their 3-time or their 6-time. And I think the 3-time is like $47.99. Okay, now we always do get like a postcard of the country that we're going to. And we're headed to Scotland. Oh yeah, do any of y'all watch Outlander? I love that show. And of course, we've seen lots of Scotland. If you watch that show, you've seen lots of landscapes because I think they actually film over there. So this is my postcard, and I really like it. It's really pretty. It says, from the rolling highlands to the welcoming red sandstone cities, Scotland is equally pretty as a postcard and beautifully wild. We've stuffed this box with some of our favorite Scottish treats and products, and know you will love it too. So I'm sure we will, and let's get in here. Here's a little sneak peek. They do kind of have their little tag on there, and they've got it covered up. And I think they do have a product card, so let's get the product card out and see what we have. It is an extension probably of this photo, but not exactly, a little bit different. And we're going to Scotland, and I don't know how to say that. Escossi? Don't know. Okay, they usually have it in English and in other languages, so let me find the English version. Making up the northern half of the United Kingdom, Scotland is a crown jewel unlike any other. Part wild wilderness, rolling hills, and craggy rocks. Part cosmopolitan cities, punctuated with grand sweeping architecture. Scotland offers infinite discoveries for travelers, all wrapped up in a warm welcome and charmingly accented hospitality. This box's journey through proud traditional handicrafts and tasty artisanal treats from across the country will surely make you want to head to the Scots. Traditional farewell call, haste you back for more. There you go. So we have quite the things here. And over here, I'm just kind of looking through here real quick so we can see. It says don't miss these, so I guess these are places that you wouldn't want to miss. And one's called the Arbroath, a former royal burgh. Arbroath features romantic North Sea views and the sweeping red sandstone ruins of the Arbroath Abbey. And that might have been what was in this picture here. Anyways, the town is also famous for its Arbroath smoky and traditional smoked haddock, only available here. Just follow the smokestacks. Well, that's interesting. And then it says the Looney Dune. So you don't want to miss the Looney Dune. Each New Year's Day in South Queensferry near Edinburgh, brightly costumed locals gather for a Looney Duke, a brave dunk into the frigid waters of the Firth of Forth, with stellar views of the architectural marvel Firth of the Forth Bridge, built in the 1800s. Brr. And man, I think I'd have trouble talking over there. I can't get all those froth and force out. And don't want to miss Stornoway. Stornoway on the Isle of Lewis is a time capsule on the outer Hebrides of Scotland's devout past. Get ready for rowdy Saturday nights followed by strict Sunday observance, and keep your ears open to the gorgeous Gaelic psalm singing emerging from the local chapels. So that sounds interesting. Now we're going to get to our goodies. So that's just a little bit that they share with us about Scotland. So if you're ever thinking about going over there, they give you some information, and that's kind of where I got that from. There's a little picture of that Stornoway village. And then, of course, we've got our fish hanging up there. But let's look and see what we have in this box. The first thing that they're going to talk about is Dunkin's of Deeside Salted Caramel Shortbread. Did someone say salted caramels? Oh my goodness. Looky here, guys. Salted caramel Scottish shortbread. This is a culinary calling card. Traditional buttery shortbread is one of the country's most beloved gifts to the world. The Duncan family bakers have been making their version for over 3 generations, and this box features a unique melt-in-your-mouth twist. Ooh, well, I can't wait to try those. They sound really good. I hope I can eat them. I had to turn the box upside down to read the ingredients. I think I'll be able to eat them. That'll be great. All right, let's go on to the next item. We have a tweed travel pouch, and I believe that is right here. And this, you can tell it's got the Scottish plaid, and it's in a real deep green, and it has their heritage tradition name on there, and it's stitched in. A little leather is what it's made out of. And inside it's just going to be stuffed with some foam until I put something in there. Let's read what it has to say about it. This here is Scotland's iconic national fabric made from wool. Tweed makes for perfect stylish armor against bracing winds and rocky Highland weather conditions. This travel patch blends tweed durability with classic tartan design. Perfect for writing utensils or toiletries on your next epic journey. With its pewter metal zip and a tweed detailed puller, it's both stylish and useful. And I'll just have to say that's right. And I recognized it to be Scottish just from the fabric. So, very nice. And like they said, it's got the pewter little zipper there. Very nice. Okay, the next item is an Iron Brew handmade soap. So let's find this. Oh, look at this colorful soap. I know many of y'all like soaps. Now look at that. It's quite the design on there. It says, Iron Brew is Scotland's second national drink. Now, why would we talk about drink if we've got a soap? I don't know. Let's keep on reading. Okay, this is Iron Brew is Scotland's second national drink after whiskey. One-of-a-kind soda drink with a palate all its own. Handmade by the Glasgow Soap Company, this cheekily scented soap bar pays homage to one of Scotland's most unique and distinctive flavors. Fans say the drink tastes like the color orange, while even the manufacturer joked that it's made from iron beams. And it shows a picture of the can there. So it's like an orange soda drink, but isn't that a nice little soap? Very nice. I like that. Our next item is Stockin's Orkney Oatcakes. And I believe that would be right here. So that's very interesting. I've never heard of that. Have you heard of that? Let's find out about it. From porridge to biscuits, oats have long played a primary hearty role in Scottish cuisine. And these oat cakes, produced since the 1890s in the Orkney Islands, are a table standard across the country, unassuming in appearance and packaging. Stockin's oatcakes are the perfect accompaniment for boiled cheese and dips. Ooh, that sounds good. I'll have to try that out with some of my Gouda cheese, or goat cheese, or blue cheese. I don't eat too many cheeses, but when I do, they're kind of on the weird side, I guess. The next item we have is a Royal Stewart tartan luggage tag. And again, we've got the Scottish plaid. This is in red, and this is initially only to be worn by royalty. Royal Stuart tartan's popularity grew so great that it's now officially recognized as a universal use by everyone without a family tartan of their own. This easily visible luggage tag, however, will ensure that your luggage is picked up only by you from the baggage carousel. And I'd say that's probably true. And it's got a place for you to put your name and address in there. And apparently it's tartan and it's made in Scotland by one of their companies there. Our next item is Buchanan's Clotted Cream Fudge. Ooh, that sounds delicious. From the Greenock banks of the Clyde, Buchanan's of Scotland have been one of UK's most loved confectioners for over a century. Their clotted cream fudge is made from clots, and that's in parentheses, skimmed from the top of fresh milk, boiled at high temperatures, and makes for exceptionally smooth, creamy fudge. I'm going to break down and try one of these. Okay, I just had to make sure I could eat it. I didn't want to get it halfway in my mouth and read something that would say, no, don't eat it. Okay, this is what it looks like. Nice and chewy. It looks like a caramel, but it says it's fudge. That's very good. It does kind of remind me of a caramel. Got a slight different taste. Very sweet. If you are a sweet person eater, you'd love that. This is almost too sweet for me. It is very sweet, but it's very good. And that package could last me a long time because one bite's all I need to satisfy my sweet tooth from it because it's really sweet. But it does remind me of a caramel. It's not gooey and sticky to your teeth. It just kind of melts right on down, but it is sweet. Now, our last item is called a satire heart earrings. Yay! Jewelry. Looky here, guys. Aren't those pretty? This is the Celtic Charms. This says Scotland's national flag is emblazoned with the saltire, featuring bold white crossing diagonal bars of equal lengths on a rich blue background. These earrings let you wear the saltire with pride, perfect for subtle dash of Scottish charm to any outfit. Is it saltire or saltire? Saltire. I don't know. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce that, but I know they're earrings. But aren't those pretty? Yeah, that's going to be real pretty. You know, here lately I've been getting a little bit more silver. And you can see it's got some crosses in there with some little studded little rhinestones in there that X's across there. So that is very pretty. I love it. Okay, guys, we went to Scotland. So then that's just something about some of their arts and culture and just lots of things for Scotland. So I really enjoyed this box. It's going to be every other month. I have gotten a tidbit, and our next box is going to be Egypt. Woo! I'm excited. I just can't wait to see what we're going to get curated for Egypt. But the Scotland box had my beautiful earrings. We had our delicious fudge that's made with their clotted cream. We got us a travel bag, which you know we travel, so we'll be using this. We got this wonderful iron brew soap that represents their orange soda. We got these oat cakes that's going to be delicious with cheese and probably olives. You know I like olives. We got this delicious salted caramel shortbread cookies, which I'm sure me and my husband will both like these and might even fight over them a little bit. Maybe if he even sees them, I could hide them, you know. And then I got this nice little heritage tradition little Scottish travel kit that I can put pencils in or toiletries or whatever you want. It kind of looks a little masculine to me, so I think I might give this to my husband to use for his travels. So I think this is just really nice. I mean, look at the quality even of the tags that they put on this. That's really nice. So, hey, I love it. You let me know. Do you have a favorite in this box? Would you like to get the Trouvailles box? And if you would, then don't forget you can get a free gift. if you use the link that's down in my description. And again, I don't know what it is, but I can tell you that it would probably be a very nice gift and that you would love it. And don't forget, we also got our postcard. And we do get a postcard each time that represents each country. So that's all I have today for Trouvailles. Be sure and look down in my description for any giveaways that I have going on right now. Currently, I have a few, if they're not already ended, but I do have a This and That, Fabfitfun, Bombay, and Cedar mystery battle going on. I have a 700 subscriber giveaway going on. Thank you very much, everybody. And I won, so can you, because I won from Lori Latimer. So now you get to win something too. So check those out and be sure and enter those giveaways if you're interested in what I have to offer. And I guess, just check my description for this link if you want to get Trouvailles. And as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.